Overloading means method name must be same and parameter must be different. Is called as method overloading. Method overloading means method name must be same and different parameter and different arguments. And the parameter must be different, and return type can be anything, and access specifier can be anything. Method overloading, so the method name must be same and different parameter. And method overriding means method name must be same and parameter must be same. Mm, Parameters must be same, and the return type can be anything, and the access specifier can be anything, and can be bigger or same that the superclass method. Method overloading and means using the parameter is the different integer, character, float, double, and the byte. Method overloading means the uh, the return type can be anything, the can be different. That is called as method overloading. Method overloading means compile time polymorphism, and method overriding means runtime polymorphism. Polymorphism, and polymorphism means same object in different way, that is called as polymorphism. Method overloading means method name must be same and different arguments, that is called as method overloading. Uh, and the return type can be anything, and the uh, access modifier can be access modifier can be same, and that is called as method overloading. Having two or more method, and the two or more method, and the overloading and the class and the functions, and um, to the method overloading as the parameter is the different, and the access modifiers can be anything, different arguments, and the different parameters, that is called as method overloading. Is the is the access specifier can be bigger or the same, and the anythings, that is called as method overloading. And the method overloading is the to the method is the same, and the changing the parameter, that is called as method overloading. And the method functions can class with the main of the parameters, and the main of the parameters, and the final method is the overloaded, and the final method is overloaded, and the different arguments, that is called as method overloading. Is the parameter must be same, and the return type can be same. That is called as method overloading. and the and the method overloading means method can be same, and the argument can be different, that is called as method overloading. Means uh, compile time polymorphism, and method overriding means the runtime polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism means method overloading, and runtime polymorphism means method overriding. Method overloading is the method can have the same and the different arguments, and the method overriding is the method name must be same and the parameter must be same. That is the called as method overriding is the compile time polymorphism, that is called as